Hey, whoop.
General Jacob, we've been issued were you just eating that banana with the pill still on?
Now, don't be ridiculous, though. That'd be weird. Is there a reason you barged into my room?
Sir, we've been issued a challenge.
Oh, yeah. The Shedwars. We're already on it.
Oh, no, sir. We've been challenged personally by Homestead Aquarius.
And what is the nature of this challenge?
He wants to see who can use the best Minecraft ingenuity in their garden.
Minecraft. You know what this means.
You can't mean bird creature thing. But we don't even know what he's capable of. Bird creature thing. Bring me Max from the planet Minecraft Simulator. That was weird.
Yep, I still have not gotten used to that. Now leave me. I have pressing matters to tend to.
I'm gonna get you, zombie pig man. Ooh, a banana. Alright, some coal. What was that? Help me! Help! Put me down! No! Where am I? Where's all my equipment?
You're now in the real world, on planet Minecraft. All of your equipment was left behind in the virtual world.
Oh man, that took forever to craft.
Son, I need your help.
Help with what?
Homestead Aquarius from teamwillitgrow has challenged us to see who can bring the best Minecraft ingenuity and style into their garden.
But you're good at Minecraft. Why do you need my help?
You see, son, I like the survival aspect of Minecraft. I only know how to craft basic tools and weapons. You are a Minecraft master crafter. You know how to do all the cool stuff. You can use redstone. I need your help. Will you work with me?
Sure, what do I need to do?
Well, for gardening, we're gonna need to start out with a basic tool set.
So I need some sticks.
And I have all of these iron ingots that I've been holding on to for a rainy day.
Let's do this.
I don't know. Try adding another stick.
That's more like it. I guess we have two now.
Well, it looks like we have some tools we can work with thanks to our Minecraft expert Max. So Homestead Aquarius, we're coming for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Leave us some comments. And if you want to see how we use our Minecraft ingenuity in the garden this year, or if you would just like to watch as we try and turn our home into a homestead, then be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when to be back for more daily, sustainable living.